In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you start day trading on Robinhood. Now, day trading on Robinhood can be accessible entry point for beginners thanks to its user-friendly interface and commission-free trade. First of all, you have to understand day trading basics. That means day trading involves buying and selling the same security within the single trading day, aiming to capitalize one short-term price movement. It's a high-risk strategy requiring quick decision making and a solid understanding of a market trend. What next you want to also understand is that choose a right account type. That means you could go with margin account, cash account, or you could either go with margin account or cash account. And the step number 3 includes setting up your Robinhood account. So once you've actually done it, so you want to develop a strategy or trading strategy and utilize Robinhood's tool. You also want to consider your risk management, avoid overtrading or continuous learning as well. So this way you'll be able to day trade on Robinhood. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.